All right. Welcome back everyone dito sa latest episode ng Deep Dive, especially itong paborito ng ating mga kabardagulan, si Ronald Llamas, the greatest analyst, ang kasama po natin today, live from somewhere in the universe. Tignan niyo yung kanyang Sir Ronald, hindi na samurai, katana, shogun, iba ng background style natin ngayon, Sir Ronald. Ano bang
It's still a con. It's still a samurai.
Yeah.
These are samurai. Con.
Actually, oh.
These are samurai arrows.
Sorry about
Mm.
that. I was telling
Ah,
people here in the Baltic Sea the other day. I said, I have a friend. Kasi, di ba, sa Totemic Knights ang may hawak dito, di ba, yung mga Denzig, ganyan. Sabi ko, I have a friend, forget about this Totemic Knights. He has a katana with the kill
mm.
rate and date. And they were like, jaw drops, Sir Ron. Sabi, why would he get a katana that killed people? I said, I don't know. That's my friend, Sir Ronald Llamas. You have to invite him over
Yeah,
here.
that's the purpose of a katana.
And then sabi ko, binuli mo ako na my samurai is only ito. Like, kasi sabi nila, bakit ang bully ko daw? Sabi ko, oh, you have no idea. I have friends who bully me on my own show. Like, that's how bad they are, Sir Ronald. Sir Ronald, speaking of,
Bullying is making fun of the host, no?
well, Sir Ronald, since wala naman yung
Ah,
mommy ko ngayon para magbantay sa akin. Yung mommy ko, para
mm.
di mag-alam niya ikaw guest ko, gumagano siya ng once in a while. Kamusta naman siya?
Parang parang si Shelo, guest namin last week.
Ano
Nagmura
nangyari?
sa Storycon. Sabi,
Pinagalitan.
sabi niya, tarantadong mga politiko.
Ayun.
TV yun
Naawa.
ha, TV. At least sa podcast katulad nito, mas may leeway, di ba? Pero
Oo.
sa TV,
Nako.
I called somebody an idiot na MTRCB ako.
Oo,
Eh
wag
si
po.
shit, mas talagang mura.
Si Shelo ba ay naging Ronald Llamas or si Ronald Llamas ay nagiging Shelo? Ano ba nangyari, Sir Ronald? Ano?
I trained her in college sa
Yan ang
student
problema.
council.
That's, I had a suspicion, Sir Ronald.
Ako little, so
So, anyway,
medyo
Sir Ronald,
influensya siya ng konting U-belt. So.
Sir Ronald, I'm never disappointed with you when it comes to Bardagulan like that. Ewan ko, kahapon pa, inaway ako ni Malutikiha tuloy. Na ano ko siya ng ano.
Oo nga, nakita ko nga yung, tawa ko ng tawa eh. Si Mr. Sub-Sahara.
Talaga tong ano. Sabi niya, gusto ba niya gawan
Par
ko siya ng
paramihan paramihan tuloy kayo ng libro.
o kasi
Ah,
sa kanya zero
something
ang
na
sa
something na hindi ako hahamulin ni Malutukia.
well, ganito na lang Sir Ronald, kahit siguro apat siya, ikaw zero ka, feeling ko mas mataas pa rin yung citation mo. But anyways, going back to reality, Sir Ronald,
Si
bago
si
natin
Malu
pag-usapan.
si Malu hindi siya makikipag-away sa isang suicide bomber.
Ayan, yan ang problema natin. Sana, speaking of suicide bomber and speaking, isang gabi, nasa bunker ako, dating bunker sa Danzig, sa Gdansk and all. And then biglang may mga tumatawag sa akin, Richard, ano na, sasali na sa majority, Team Cheese. Say Cheese na sila Bam and sila Kiko. And then like I said, well, maybe Bam, I kind of can see why. I mean, after all, he was blah, 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 independent. Pero yung ibang tao na medyo malapit yata kay Kiko, ay medyo nagpa-panic na. So, I was not sure what was going on. And then the next thing I know, talagang nag-explode to. There was a huge debate over this. And then the next thing I know, I don't know, sir, I'm a bit far away. I'm in the Baltic Sea, whatever. I heard Riza was also not very happy, but obviously when she did a press conference, Scap, when she tried to put a brave face and diplomatic face, sir, no, to the degree that we can say things without being more disinvited from events of our friends. What are the facts of the case, Sir Ronald? What are the facts of the case? Honestly, what the heck is going on?
Well, officially, wala pa naman talagang nangyayari. Pero unofficially, even after the election, may mga negotiations na. Specifically focusing on the Senate presidency. So, yun yung mga negotiations na yan. Transactions, quid pro quo, nag-uusap-usap na yan. No? At ngayon, yung mga nag-uusap-usap na yan, nagsisimula ng lumabas. No? This senator confirming this senator confirming that. So, lumalabas na. No? At hindi naman siya surprising. Hindi naman siya surprising. Ang naiiba lang, iba yung political context eh. Nangyayari lahat itong horse trading na ito sa gitna ng isang fundamental battle no, between the Marcoses and the Dutertes, between political institutions and those who would like to destroy political institutions, no, between pro-impeachment, anti-impeachment, no, and directly or indirectly, the return or the defeat of the Dutertes. So nangyayari lahat yan dyan sa kanyang klaseng context. Pwede po nating dagdagan, nangyayari yan sa context ng the great game of the superpowers, where one superpower are supporting the Dutertes, no? China, and one superpower are supporting the Marcoses. At nakita natin, dagdag pa sa ganitong context, was the midterm election na medyo gumuho yung administration, nanalo yung mga Duterte, pero nanalo rin yung mga anti-Duterte. Specifically sa Senate, si Bam at saka si Kiko. Specifically sa party list, yung Akbayan. At sa local, some anti-Duterte forces like si Akbayan member Kakabagaw who won in Dinagat as congressman, etc. etc. So, ibig sabihin, itong election na ito, nakita natin na hindi lang naman to usapin ng nanalo yung Duterte. Nanalo rin yung mga anti-Duterte. Ang mas tinamaan pa yung alyansa ng Marcoses, no? Yun yung kwan dito. At
Pinaka-underperform.
panghuli, medyo may emerging na youth movement. It's not yet a movement, it's not yet a vote, pero by all indications, ito yung medyo naiiba in previous elections. The Gen Z, the millennials are quickly being felt. They're not yet that decisive, pero they are already that important. At marami dito sa mga kabataang ito ay nakatulong maipanalo the likes of Bam and Kiko at Akbayan. No? Kaya yun yung mahalaga dito sa usapin ng Bam, Kiko, Risa. Dahil una, nung nagsimula yung campaign ni Bam, Kiko, at that time kasama pa si Chel last year, ay ang slogan ni Risa, kailangan ko kayo sa Senado. Paulit-ulit, makikita mo yung mga memes, makikita mo yung mga TikTok, makikita mo yung mga ads, kailangan ko kayo sa Senado. And at that time, parang yung tumatayong leader nung Pink at saka nung opposition was Risa. Dahil pinasa sa kanya ni Lenny yung baton of leadership noong 2022. That was very clear. No? Sa kanya pinasa. Ikaw na ang leader ngayon ng Pink Wave. At in the light of that, ay kinonvene ni Risa yung big tent na tinatawag. Yung Shell, Bam at saka Kiko para sa 2025 midterm election. Eventually, si Chel ay opted na tumakbo for the party list. Nagpatuloy si Kiko at saka si Bam with Risa as the campaign manager, the convener of that configuration. At yung slogan nga nun, samahan niyo ako sa Senado. No? So, tatlong bagay yan, ha? Pinasa ni Lenny Carissa yung leadership. Binuo ni Risa yung Senate project for 2025 na ang slogan ay samahan niyo ako sa Senado. Samahan niyo yung opposition, samahan niyo yung reform elements sa Senado. At ikatlo, na ipanalo sila sa midterm with so many variables, pero ang key variable dyan ay nagising yung Pink, nag-assert, nag-scale up, at may bagong mga actors yung kabataan. No, yan. Pero at the same time, nakikita mo, teka, may mga indications na parang iba. Halimbawa, nung meeting de Avance sa Cavite, nung launching nung campaign, ay ang sabi ni Bam at saka ni Kiko, hindi kami opposition. Kami ay independent. Oops! Something is happening there. Lalo na kung makikita mo yung pangyayari ngayon. Di ba? Also at that time, ang sabi ni Bam, impeachment is not a people's issue. Pero yung nagpa-impeach, yung first impeachment kasi, mga pink yon at saka yellows. Mga liberal yon at saka mga civil society at saka akbayan. No? So, parang sampal yon dun sa mga pink and yellow forces na nag-file ng impeachment case. Yung nauna. kung sasabihin mo na impeachment is not a people's issue. So anong issue yung impeachment? No? So nakikita mo yung ganong klaseng mga incidents na parang foretelling yung nangyayari ngayon. No, kaya nga sinasabi ko, it's not that surprising dahil may mga indications kang nakita.
Sir Ronald, kaya talaga hindi mo kailangan magsulat ng libro kasi parang sinulat mo na yung libro sa sinabi mo in the past 15 minutes. Sa totoo, parang thank you very much for giving us the global perspective, the local perspective. Pero parang
Six
hindi mo,
minutes. 6 minutes lang. Ikaw naman, orasan ko yun.
pero,
Oh.
pero parang Sir Ronald, labas ko muna itong Mickey Mouse or ito ang ano ko ng Philippine politics, Mickey
Oh,
Mouse.
ako buko pa eh. Galing sa Tagaytay.
Ako, Mickey Mouse. Now,
Ah,
speaking of Mickey Mouse politics, amin natin, Mickey Mouse naman talaga yung politics natin. Um, Parang sinagot mo yung tanong ko na hindi mo sinagot, Sir Ronald. Medyo may pagka-Henry Kissinger rin yung sagot mo. Sir Ronald Kissinger, since my world, ano,
Teka lang, appetizer lang yun. Appetizer lang yun. Foreplay.
kaya nga eh,
Foreplay lang.
kaya nga
Ah,
nag-Mickey Mouse na lang ako. Mm.
dahil meron ka pa isang oras eh.
No,
Or
no,
more
no,
or
no,
less.
no, 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 no. Pag-usapan ba natin si Tatay Digong? Malapit lang siya dito. Medyo nagpapanik na yata yung mga pumayat-payat tao eh. Medyo kulang ata sa ano eh. Ehersisyo. Inaway pa yung Claire Castro, yung kaibigan natin, kasi pinoint out yung kulang daw na ehersisyo yung isa. And then, Sir Ronald, okay, let's be honest about this. Did people have misplaced expectations um, about certain candidates? Um, and do you think na ang nangyayari dito is that the goalpost keeps on shifting and changing? Because Sir Ronald, yan, ikaw naman mag-Mickey Mouse ngayon. No, I mean, during election, basically ang explanation is, wag na natin sila i-pressure na pag-usapan itong mga controversial polarizing issue. Hindi na, in fairness, hindi naman mala bongo yung sagot na hindi naman makakain yan. More like, syempre hindi sila pwede mag-comments ICC, ganun. Kasi syempre, magiging senatorial judge sila. So, you know, so they have to be balanced, ganun. Tapos, yeah, alam mo naman, elections, you have to be realistic. Syempre, baka kailangan mo yung boto na itong grupo na to, yung group na yan, ganyan. So, let's be honest. Para sabi na, okay, fine, I understand. You want to win the elections, you want to play safe, play pragmatic, okay. But now, suddenly, I'm hearing the same argument na naman, hindi, ganito kasi yung political landscape. You have to survive, you have to, you know, play the game, ganun, ganun. But my point is, you can use that argument and at 20, and then the next thing you know, baka pwede mo na i-argue, baka pwede Sarah bomb na lang 2028 kasi maybe that's how, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's a rabbit hole, Sir Ronald. If you keep on saying, you know, we have to be realistic, pragmatic, ganyan. And di ba, pinag-usapan natin yan eh. I mean, if ang argument mo is, okay lang na sasali ako sa Team Cheese or whatever because gusto kong tumulong, eh di, mukhang may cabinet reshuffle pa si BBM, di ba? Sir Ronald, baka may opening na. Baka pwede ka na mag-cabinet member. Wag na tayo mag-senador, di ba? Let's just help people straight. Kasi, okay, sabihin natin chairman ka ng committee ng agriculture, health. Eh di Secretary of Health ka na lang at Secretary of Agriculture. If you know, if your argument is anything is permissible as long as you can help people on gut issue, on you know, yung usapin ng mga practical issue, then I will go all the way and make an argument like that. Kaya parang, and then most importantly, Sir Ron, disagree with me if you want, but we learned from Risa that you can be minority and yet be very effective and well, favorite analyst man si Malu, yung kanilang survey agency pinakamataas pa lang favorability ni Risa, although hindi ko alam yung Cayetano part, but I don't know, like Sarah, is this like just rationalization or is this maybe Sarah, you and I are too naive daw tayo, masyado tayong idea, purist daw tayo, Sir Ronald, are we
Lalo
purist?
na ako talagang I look very naive, no? Naive is my middle name, no?
You're more like
Ako,
naivete, like
no?
French. Naivete, naivant.
Well, tama, no? Pero lang, sabi ko nga kanina, hindi pa naman public ito. Although nagsisimula ng lumabas yung mga backdoor negotiations at sumasagot na yung iba, katulad ni Kiko. Nag-post siya ng sagot na kailangan ko ito dahil gusto ko makapaglingkod sa mga mamamayan, lalo na sa mga magsasaka, kung hawak ko ang agriculture committee, kung ako yung chairman. So, ibig sabihin, medyo almost na-confirm na yung mga backdoor negotiations, no? Sa ganong klaseng pag-post niya. Medyo yung kanyang arguments ay medyo kwan lang, hindi ganoon kasolido, no? Dahil parang sinasabi mo ay yung si Risa na nanatiling mag-isa sa Senado, at least for the past 3 years, ay hindi kayang maglingkod sa tao dahil siya ay opposition at hindi siya chairman ng mga committees, no? Parang yun yung directly or indirectly sinasabi mo. At para ikaw ay makapaglingkod sa tao, kinakailangan ay makipag-compromise ka, no? Hindi nga ito simpleng compromise eh. Nakikipag-compromise ka dun
Exactly.
sa
Just
father
to clarify,
Paul
Sarah,
Quinn,
we're not
no?
against compromise, right? We believe, but
Yeah,
there's
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
levels to this game, right?
Yeah. Nagko-compromise ka dun sa father ng Fort Wayne. Nagko-compromise ka dun sa father ng Remand. Hindi na nga, hindi ko na nga
Kilay,
sabihin na
kilay. Huwag
compromise
kalimutan.
doon sa kay Boy Kilay. Nagko-compromise ka doon sa inopen yung possibility kahit unconstitutional na pwedeng i-dismiss ng Senado yung impeachment. Dito ka nagko-compromise. Nagko-compromise ka doon sa lumalabas na ngayon yung information na siya pala yung crucial doon sa at least sa side ng Senate dito sa BICAM na nag-create ng napakalaking controversy last December. Itong budget, no? Kung pala siya ron, isa pala siya sa mga tao to blame diyan. Tapos sasabihin mo na gusto mo kasing makatulong sa mamamayan, sa mga karaniwang tao, sa mga magsasaka. This guy you are voting to be the head of that committee ay isa sa mga culprits dito sa controversy sa budget na hindi pinapakinabangan ng mga mamamayan na gusto mong sabihin na paglilingkuran mo kung ikaw ay head nung o chairman ng committee. So, it doesn't follow, no? It's a big non sequitur, no? At sabi mo nga, kung yun lang ang batayan mo, ba't hindi ka na lang pumasok sa
Oh,
gobyerno?
diretso na.
Lalo na ngayon, medyo on leave yung Secretary of Agriculture, no?
Nagkiko din
Baka,
ang pangalan. Nagkiko
okay,
din
no?
ang
Sana
pangalan.
ay gumaling siya, kung ano man yung karamdaman na
Of
papatingnan
course,
niya
our
sa
best
Amerika.
wishes, of course.
Pero, ang ibig po sabihin niyan ay, pwede, may mga minimum na prinsipyo eh. May mga minimum na platform. Kaya ikaw ay opposition. No? Ngayon, kung gusto mong bitawan na 'yon, well and good, no? Hindi ka na opposition. Pero anong parang ang paniningil sa iyo ba't bigla niyo namang iniwan si Risa nang gano'n na lang? After kayo tulungan. Tapos yung mga alipores nila, halimbawa si Harvique, parang ang ginagawa, dina-downplay yung role ni Risa. Na nanalo naman itong mga ito on their own. No? Nanalo naman tong mga 'to, hindi dahil kay Risa. Kung mababasa mo yung mga sinasabi nung isa sa
Ayoko na nga,
leader,
Sir Ronald. Baka mag-minute ulam
yung
tayo.
Harvey
Ayoko na.
K, kilala mo ba yon? No, sinasabi niya gano'n, no? Na
Ah, yeah.
yun yung kanyang argument ngayon. Pero ibig sabihin, wala man lang role si Risa para tulungan sila, no? Tapos ngayon iiwanan na lang ng basta-basta, 'di ba? Pero ang mas mahalaga, yung mga bumoto ba sa kanila, binoto sila dahil ang tingin ay gagawin nila ito? Binoto ba sila noon in full knowledge na
Yeah.
sila ay makikipag-transact dito sa ganitong klasing Senate President para maging chairman ng ganitong klasing committee? Yun ba yung dahilan kung bakit sila binoto nito? I doubt it. I doubt it very much.
I
No,
doubt
tingin
it
ko
too.
marami binoto sa kanila. Binoto sila dahil they represent a particular ethos. No? A particular ethos na medyo kabaligtaran ng ethos nung iboboto nilang Senate President para makakuha sila ng perks at saka chairmanship. Yun lang naman yung sinasabi ko. Ang sinasabi nila, hindi, iba naman kasi yung pagboto sa Senate presidency, iba naman yung political pagboto sa mga political positions like impeachment. hello, ano yan, disembodied spirit? Itong binoboto mong persona ay hinihiwalay mo doon sa kanyang political
Baka yung
positioning?
Sir Ronald, parang ano yun, Hegelian Geist spirit yung isa ay ano,
Oo.
kilay. Like,
Lalo na yung isa, Arneo, no? Mahirap i-separate yun eh. Yung ganong klase, yung kanyang political standpoint at yung kanyang katauhan. At sasabihin mo, binoboto mo lang yung kanyang katauhan. Pero pagdating ng botohan sa politika, ay iba ang iyong magiging boto.
parang
Parang
tayong dalawa, Sir Ronald, di ba?
it doesn't hold water.
Parang
No?
sinasabi
It
mo,
doesn't hold
binubuli ko
water.
si Richard sa show niya, pero hindi si Richard mismo. Di ba parang ganun yung sabi mo
Hindi.
sa mami ko noon?
Ako, naiba ko eh. Naiba ko eh. Naiba ko eh. Diba? Ina-admit ko,
Sabi mo
ako
si
ay
Richard sa show niya, pero hindi si Richard. Parang ganun, parang disembodied. Parang
Oo,
spectrum.
parang gano'n. Parang gano'n. Parang gano'n nga. Parang
Parang
gano'n.
ganun na.
Hmm. Pero pag ako kasi
Sir
ng
Ronald,
bully, todo bully.
I,
Walang nuance.
I was looking at your katanas behind kanina nung nag-explain ka. No, honestly,
Oo.
joking aside, sir, that's why I love our conversations and all. Because hindi naman tayo naive, di ba, sir? Siguro ikaw, Ronald, naive ka. But
Oo,
ako
ako.
kasi,
Naive.
compromise na eh. Masyado akong realpolitik, ganun. Ikaw kasi idealistic ka, sir. But no, but
Sabi nga ni Manutikia, kaunti lang nasulat mong libro.
oo
Mm.
nga eh. Medyo, mga six lang naman on my own na medyo 700 lang citations.
At saka, bago ka na iimbita sa mga international ECLAI at saka sa mga international interviews, nauna na siya.
Nauna na siya
Sumusunod,
kasi
sumusunod ka lang
medyo
sa kanya.
20 taon yata. Ano ba yung 20 taon bang diferensya namin?
Oo,
Sorry
oo.
kasi ano nagpa-PlayStation pa ako noon nung ano. But anyways, Sir Ronald,
Oo.
nagpakabait na nga ako. Si Topacio na lang pag-usapan natin at saka si
Si
Harry.
To, si Topak Show. Si Topak Show. Oo. Oo.
Si Topacio sabi niya. Anyway, Sir Ronald, going back to this, no, I don't want to put, ganito. What hurts me, Sir Ronald, is when we do this, which is we're demanding some sort of transparency, ano ka ba talaga? Some sort of accountability. Eh, di ba, binoto ka para sa ganito. Parang tayo pa may kasalanan, Sir Ronald. Nagdi-divide daw tayo. Masyado daw tayong toxic, Sir Ronald. We are, Echosera daw tayo. We're creating divisions daw in the opposition. We're not helping the opposition. Ano masasabi mo sa ganyan argument, Sir Ronald?
Hindi naman tayo yung nag-negotiate na tayo ay maging chairman ng agriculture at saka ng education. Wala naman tayong gano'n eh. No? Wala tayong gano'n, di ba? Wala tayong gano'n negosasyon. So what's the point? Na paano tayo naging kwan, chusero? Paano
Wala
tayo
kasi daw
naging
tayo sa front
agriculture?
line. Sino ba naman tayo? Nagpa-podcast lang tayo, nagpa-pandit lang tayo, nangingay lang daw
Saka
tayo
binabasa lang
online.
natin naman eh, statement ni Kiko, no, yung statement ni Harbike, no? Yun lang naman yung binabasa natin, no? Yung sinabi ni Jinggoy about the negotiations, 'di ba? So yung pag-amin ni Kiko na meron naman talaga at ito yung kanyang gusto. Ano yung meron ba tayong iniimbento
Hindi,
na
parang
wala dito?
basically ang gusto nila, ano na lang, tiwala lang, Sir Ronald. Tiwala lang, time will,
Mm.
tell us. Masyado daw tayong atat, masyado daw tayo excited, masyado daw
Kaya
tayong
nga
demanding.
kahapon, Richard, sabi ko, no, ang worry ko lang, these are indications of what is to come. Sana hindi, no? Sana hindi, no? Kung ganito yung tao na iboboto mo at ito yung kanyang standpoint, medyo nakakakaba, no? Medyo nakakakaba na saan ba papunta ang iyong politika, no? Nasaan ba ang iyong moral ideological mooring, no?
Moral
Yun.
compass, yeah, exactly, yeah.
Oo. Kahapon sabi nung isang party mate nila, hindi, hindi, ito naman kasi talaga naman nangyayari ito eh. Ha? Talaga naman nangyayari ito eh. Dahil halimbawa, yung partido nila, merong mga members ng majority, may members ng minority, at may independent minority. Ah, well, okay. Ang sabi ko lang, sa aming partido, walang ganyan. Kung yung aming senador ay minority, lahat ng aming kongresista, kahit hindi party list, halimbawa, kakabagaw, Hindi naman siya party list. Pero lahat ng mga miyembro namin na kongresista dapat nasa minority. Hindi pwedeng sasabihin, hindi, yung iba kasi ay kailangan gawin ito. Yun yung problema sa ating political system. Walang ganong klasing maayos na party system. Di ba? Tapos babanata mo yung iba, babanata mo yung mismo yung partido mo, ganon. Di ba? So, at sinasabi ko lang, sa amin hindi ganon. Kung sa inyo ganon, okay. No?
Well,
Okay.
let's talk about it. Leila de Lima, I'm sure, Chell, they had options to be part of the majority, right? I mean, especially sa lower house, di ba? Sa
Yeah,
Congress.
yeah,
Kung
yeah.
kasama, ang dami mong perks. I mean, it really matters kasi there are 300 others. How are you gonna
Yes,
get
yes.
there? So actually, kung it's about being practical, even more reason for the Lima and Chell, but they didn't. They chose out of political
Yeah.
conviction and principle not to join the majority, even though that means
Yes.
potentially
Ang banat naman sa
marginalized
kanila
sila.
ngayon, ang banat naman sa kanila, yes, nasa minority sila, pero part sila ng prosecution, and being part of the prosecution, ay bahagi sila ng majority. Eh,
Masama pala
parang,
mag-prosecution
parang ang
dun
labo
sa...
ng argument na yun, no? Dahil sila ay bahagi ng prosecution, sila ay member ng majority.
Wait,
So,
wait, so kasalanan nila ngayon na gusto nila ng accountability kay Miggy Mango? Ganun ba yan, Sir Ronald?
exactly.
Oh, wow.
Lalo na, si
Interesting.
Laila at saka si Chel ay kasama sa nag-file ng impeachment, no? Nung first impeachment, kung maaalala mo, 'di ba? Yung first impeachment na in-archive dahil yung fourth impeachment ang umakyat sa Senado. Pero sila yung una nag-file, no? Tapos
Ilang
ngayon
person?
sasabihin, hindi, bahagi kasi sila ng kwan eh. Bahagi kasi sila ng prosecution ko. So ergo, majority sila kahit nasa minority sila. Parang ah,
Well, I
hindi
mean,
hindi ko yung point dahil naiinsulto ako eh.
it's an interesting mathematical. I'm trying to understand what's the integrals analysis. Well, I think that's more preferable to majority ka tapos mamaya malabo pa lang stance mo sa issue ng convening of a trial, no? Sir Ronald, do you think that's gonna be the ultimate indication if ganito lang, magkakaalaman na ba tayo soon kung ano ba talaga nangyari? If this is
Ako lang naman,
tactical, strategic, or something even more troubling?
ang ko lang naman, wag mo i-explain away yung ginagawa mo na by explaining na lahat naman ginagawa ito eh. This is nothing new.
What
No,
about ism? Yeah.
i-explain away mo yung ganong klaseng transactional politics mo by saying, hindi, ginagawa naman yan because we want to serve the people. No? We want to serve the people more effectively. No? 'Di ba? Yung ganong klaseng argument, no?
Eh kaya sabi ko, baka
Sabi
mamaya
nga
sabi
diyan
niya,
sabi nga
team up
diyan
na
ng
tayo
bunso
with
ko
mga Dutertes.
yan ang sinasabi ng bunso ko pag nagdedebate kami, no? Pag yung natatalo sa debate, ang sasabihin sa akin ng bunso ko, talk to the hand. Papa, talk to the hand, no? Ganun ako ng bunso ko. Tapos na ang debate, no?
Well,
Ganun din ang
basically, ano
sasabihin ko
naman
ngayon.
tayo, Sir Ronald. Sabi naman nung isa, wala daw siyang pake sa mga criticism kasi malinis naman ang konsensya. I mean, alam naman niya anong stance niya
Ayaw,
sa
hindi
buhay.
malinis. Ayaw, hindi malinis.
Pero, wait lang, ano ba ulit ang ginawa nila nung 2016 to 2022? Sir Ronald, wait, just refresh. Sorry, Sir Ronald, kasi nagsusulat lang ako ng libro back in the day so hindi ko alam ang nangyari sa totoong mundo. Ano ulit yung ginawa nila nung panahon ni Digong in terms of protecting Leila de Lima, in terms of pushing for EJK investigations, in terms of...
Mm.
Ano ulit yung track record, Sir Ronald? Can you refresh? Sorry, Sir Ronald, hindi ako katulad ng mga tunay na eksperto katulad mo, ni ano.
Amnesia na rin ako eh, dahil tumatanda na eh.
Yeah,
Senior
Sir
na eh.
Ronald. I'm sorry, please refresh. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm like, ano ulit yung ginawa? Kasi yun nga sabi, wala akong pake sa critics kasi alam naman nila yung track record. Tapos sabi ko, ano ulit yung track record nung panahon? Anyway, Sir Ronald, before we make more enemies, balik na naman tayo sa exile bunker. Okay, Sir Ronald, let's try to strongman this. So kanina, we did it from the other angle. Okay, let's put it this way. For the sake of argument, sabi natin, Sir Ronald, what if hindi sila nag-majority? Would that have really cost them the ability to shape legislation in a way that would have served their core advocacies, whether it's food security, health, or education? sige, for the sake of argument, sabi natin sa Ronald, hindi sila sumali sa majority. Would have that completely torpedoed or basically hampered their ability to exercise their duty?
Well, may element naman kasi ang Senado as a collegial body. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang bill, at whether ikaw ay minority or majority, kung makakakuha ka ng enough support for that bill to pass, then it passed. No? Pero kahit ikaw ay nasa majority, kung hindi ka makakakuha ng support sa ibang mga senador, then it won't pass. No? So, kunyari, negotiations yan. Whether you're in the minority or the majority. Pero ang malinaw kasi, sa minority, at least yung dating definition ng minority, ikaw yung opposition. Ikaw yung yung pole na hindi mo katulad yung gobyerno, no? Fundamentally, no? Pwedeng meron kang mga pagkakasunduan sa gobyerno, pwedeng meron kayong mga cup half full, half empty, pero iba ka, no? Iba ka. Halimbawa, you're anti-dynasty, no? You're anti-impunity, di ba? You're anti-corruption, no? You're pro-transparency, you're pro-participative budgeting, no? Et cetera, et cetera. So, may whole gamut yan eh. Ang tawag yata nila dyan, a platform. A platform different from the platform
Oh,
the ruling government of the
oh, I
ruling
didn't know that,
party.
sir. That's
Ah, yun ang
wow.
ibig sabihin usually niyan eh.
Ah,
Ikalawa, usually, yung minority na yan ay mag-aspire to be the majority in the next election. No? Based on a different political project. Kaya usually yun yung kaibahan ng majority minority. You have a different political project. No?
okay. So
Ngayon,
just to be clear, Sir Ronald,
i-explain away mo.
just to be clear,
I-explain away mo.
yeah, yeah. No, no, just to be clear, let's just say it. You don't need to be the chairman of Committee on Agriculture to get actually a law passed or an important legislation passed. Because even as a vice chairman, right? Or even as a colleague, because it's 24 republics, you're all important. Pwede mo naman kausapin yung chairman ng, sabihin natin, Mark Oleta, right? Whatever. Whoever. Although Mark Oleta will get blue ribbon, but whatever. Di ba? Pwede mo naman kausapin di ba? Yung ibang senators as your colleagues. So you don't need to be a chairman per se to push for advocacies relevant to agriculture, right, Sir Ronald? I mean, I'm just trying to
Hmm.
understand, like, what is the big deal na kailangan chairman ka talaga to get it through compared sa
Just as, hmm, just as you're voting a Senate President who will appoint a Marcoleta to head the Blue Ribbon
blue
Committee
ribbon?
to investigate corruption. No? So, ito yung mga kalyado mo. No? Hindi
Well,
lamang yung
you
Senate
are
President.
enabling that. You're enabling that. Yeah, you're
Yeah,
making that happen. Yeah.
actually, you're not just electing a Senate President who will appoint you as chairman of a committee, but who will also appoint other chairmans of other committees like Marcoleta sa Blue Ribbon who will investigate corruption. Can you appreciate the
Of course,
contradiction?
I absolutely
Kung
appreciate
ganung
that.
klaseng choice mo,
Yeah.
di ba?
It's gonna be
Yeah.
very helpful, very helpful. But okay, let me put it another way. Okay, again, for the sake of argument, sabi natin Sir Ronald, um, sige, majority daw sila, they will be able to push for the advocacy. Pero when it comes to the important votes, sabi natin convening of the trial, trust them, they will be on the right side of history. Ano masasabi mo naman dyan, Sir Ronald? Yung ganyan argument. Hintayin nyo lang, wag kayo masyadong atad. Because immediately the counter argument would be, I'm not sure if you join the majority, there's no understanding also. Na on certain issue, there is a certain understanding, right, Sir Ronald? Like, how else
Pero
should I
tama
say
sila.
it?
Tama sila. They will be on the right side of history. Ako kasi I would rather be on the left side of history. No? So
Ayan
tama sila.
tayo
They will be
eh.
on the
Ayan
right
tayo.
side of history. No? No.
Side of cheese, okay, the right side of cheese kilay or left side of cheese
Nandun
kilay?
ako. Okay na ako sa left side of history. No?
Like, like
Progressive side. Okay na ako
progressive.
ron.
Ano
The
tala,
right
French
conservative
Parliament ka pala, Sir
uh,
Ronald. The French Parliament.
recidivist.
Resident.
Kasi right recidivist
Correct.
reaction
Ako baka
side
ma-retire
of
tayo, Sir Ronald. Parang
history.
nahihirapan ako i-counter-argue bigla, Sir Ronald. But I'm trying really to like, okay, let's put it this way. What do you think of Risa's press conference? Do you think she did the right thing by
she's very
Not
decent not to,
calling it out, basically. I mean,
yeah, she's very decent not to call them out. Unlike tayo. Tayo kasi hindi tayo decent eh. We call a spade a spade.
we're not
No?
decent, but we're also not indecent, Sir Ronald. Just to be clear, we're the.
I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure about that.
I'm not too sure about your wardrobe there. I see, Sir
I'm not too
Ronald.
sure about it. Pero ganun si Lisa eh, no? Di ba? Yung kahit masama ang kanyang loob, hindi niya
Tama talaga.
ikikiskis sa kanilang mukha, no? No? Hindi nila ikikiskis. Tayo kasi hindi lang natin ikikiskis sa kanilang mukha. Ilalatigo natin
Sa
sa
kilay.
kanilang mukha.
Akala ko
Diba?
kilay.
Kumbaga, mata lang ang walang lamat, no? Pag
Kiss ko
tayo
yung kilay. Kiss
tayo ang kaaway, di ba?
yung kilay,
No?
yung kilay.
Yun naman, no? Yun yung ating imperfection eh. We're not very gentle or peaceful or civilized.
Okay, ganito lang, Sir Ronald. Para lang matapos na tong issue na ito, kunyari, charot. No, no, but
Dito
seriously,
ba ito?
hindi, pupunta pa kay Tatay Digong pa. Pumapayat daw si Tatay Digong. Nagre-ready na sila
Ibig ko sabihin,
it's a.
it won't end in this episode.
No, no,
This
na,
will
ganito. No,
continue.
no, no. It won't end. Siyempre, ano to, naghahanap buhay tayo, Sir Ronald. Nagpa-punditry tayo. No, but speaking of which, Sir Ronald, okay, okay, sasabihin na, oh, so anong gusto niyo mangyari? Okay, Sir Ronald, if it were up to us, what should Bam and Kiko do? Yun na lang. Okay, so ano yung preferred situation natin? Mag-ingay sila?
Harness,
Hmm.
harness the energy, the dreams of those who voted for them into a movement towards a political project for 2028. Dahil I'm 100% sure yung mga bumoto sa kanila, yun yung gusto. That kind of leadership, that kind of political project, no? Doon. It's not too late, no? Hopefully, dito sa usapin ng impeachment, they scale up, no? At tabunan nila itong usapin sa Senate presidency. Hopefully, hindi yung ganun kadali nahihiwalay mo ito with other political issues na katulad ng pinag-uusapan natin kanina. Pero, it can happen. O, bigyan natin ng ganung klaseng kwan. Pero, kung halimbawa, itong fundamental issue ng impeachment, hindi sila pumosisyon according dun sa mga bumoto sa kanila, then, no, there will be hell to pay. Hindi lamang sa ganitong klaseng podcast, kung hindi dun sa mga bumoto sa kanila.
Wait, may mas bardagulan na podcast dito na. Just kidding. Sir Ron, nakala ko, hindi sa podcast, meron pa kami mas bardagulan na podcast na wala na, nagmumura na kami. Okay, so Sir
Oh,
Ronald, in short, hin I mean, okay, to be cautiously optimistic, hindi huling lahat, hindi naman ideally, but given the circumstances, you can still see a situation, majority sila, they're with Mark Oleta and Boy Kilay, I say Jesus Cudero and all of that. But nevertheless, when it comes to the issue of convening of the trial, they'll be, well, left side of history, let's just call it that way. In that situation, Sir Ronald, it could still work, right? And then in the meantime, you still nurture Pink Movement as a third force. We're just trying to be
yes,
constructive here, di ba? We're not burning
yes. Even
bridges.
if
We're
we
not
have
trying to fight.
reservations,
Exactly.
even if we have
We still
reservations
want.
about what is happening,
Exactly.
as indicative, not only of their character, but of their political direction. No? Sana, yung character naman pwede magbago. There's such a thing as redemption. No? Open pa naman yon. Kahit naman tayo, open sa redemption.
Well,
Hindi ko alam
speaking
sa'yo.
of redemption, Sir Ronald, not far away from here, Tatay Digong is, I'm not sure what's the situation. You know better than me, Sir Ronald. Like
Mga
how
yayat
hard,
daw, mga yayat, kawawa naman, no?
yun nga, like how hard it is, Sir Ronald, not to meet your common visitors, if I can put it that way. For the purpose of this show's very politically correct show, sir, how hard it is, Sir Ronald, kung ang nami-meet mo lang yung abogado mo at saka yung mga
Very
well,
hard.
whatever. Hindi, kasi sir,
Very hard.
to be
Sabi nga
honest,
ni Alan Peter kanina, sabi niya, kung magne-negotiate ang gobyerno sa ICC na pauwiin si Digong, no? Tatanggapin ni Digong ang house arrest.
oh,
What was that about? So,
so
the
may
government
repatriation
negotiated with
plan, yeah?
ICC para pauwiin si Digong para ma-house arrest. parang double, triple negation. Parang,
Medyo talo pa si
ako,
Hegel doon, ah.
philosophy, that's a very flawed syllogism, no? Sa bagay, hindi naman Arneo si Kwan eh. Hindi naman Arneo si Alan
UP
Peter.
kasi siya,
Siya lang naman
unfortunately.
ay Kwan. Siya lang naman ay UP na ambassador ni Jesus Christ.
Di
Yun ang
ba?
kaibahan. Isang taga
Ateneo Law
UP
siya, di ba?
tapos
Ateneo Law.
ka na ambassador ni Jesus Christ. Kaya ayun, ganun yung kanyang
Logic.
syllogism, no?
Sir Ron, alam ko ikaw usted ka, so kayong mga eksperto sa syllogism since 16th
Oh.
century. But going back to this, no, honestly, should we be worried about Tatay Digong's situation? Or why would they make drama? Kasi wala naman realistically chance for them to get him either, forget about repatriation, even interim release, baka
Alam naman
matapos.
nila hindi na makakauwi eh.
So
So,
drama-drama na
so,
lang sila.
so make him a victim. 'Di ba? Yun naman yung narrative from the start eh. 'Di ba? Make him a victim. 'Di ba? At dahil wala namang counterpole diyan, yung gobyerno hindi naman kina-counterpole 'yan, no, hindi naman wine-weaponize yung mga issues against Digong, he's getting away with it. Itong narrative na ito. Kaya nga, for the fifth time, meron kang bagong head ng communications ng Malacanang. Ngayon lang ako nakakita na 5 beses in 3 years, nagpalit ng communications head ng Malacanang. The alter ego of the president.
Alam mo, Sir
Pinaltan
Ronald,
5 times.
I was still Googling about yung now ex-PCO, biglang may bago na naman. Wait,
Ah,
sino ulit? Like, may
tapos,
Guinness Book
yung
of Record
luma,
na tayo. Ah.
tapos yung luma, inilagay din sa Meko. Katulad nung ikalawa. So parang yung
Environmentally
meron
friendly
kapagitan
kasi.
ng mga ex-communication head, di ba? So, gaano kaya katagal? Tatagal naman itong bago. Itong ikalima.
Dapat may, di
So,
ba may
so you know
polymark?
something is wrong when the alter ego of the president, the main communication architect, strategist, ay napalitan 5 times in the middle of the term of the president. Alam mo, something is wrong.
Baka wala silang makuhang matino.
Oh. Kaya, kaya nagpe-fiesta yung mga Duterte. Di ba? Not because they're intelligent, not because they're great, but because the other side is not doing too well. Di ba?
But,
Baka ikaw gusto mo mag-volunteer as
uh,
communication sa bazaar, no?
kas,
Tapos undersecretary mo si Malutikia, oh, di ba?
tapos
Ganda
si
pang
Topacio yung legal advisor namin.
si Topacio, no? Talagang ang galing talaga nung abogado na yung
Bro,
si Topacio. No?
before we go to,
At nagpo-propose siya na dapat ay sampahan na ng kaso si Risa sa Ethics Committee. Imagine si Topacio, no? Suggesting na si Risa ay kasuhan sa Ethics Committee. No?
well,
Ngayon
if
nakita
Mark
ko,
Oleta is gonna become the Blue Ribbon, can the Blue Ribbon
di ba?
investigate Risa or something?
Ano, what's happening? What's happening? No? At parang nagmumukha akong normal.
I mean, to be honest, if Sara were to become president, I won't be surprised if these people, whether it's Malu or Topacio, they will end up in those kinds of positions, spokespersons, who
Of
knows,
course, they deserve
legal
each other.
advisor.
They deserve each other 100%. No? Huh? This will be a big, beautiful government.
Big, beautiful, big
Oh,
and beautiful
uh,
government. Yeah, the most amazing, the most
deserve
wonderful.
each other. Huh? No?
Tapos si Ari Roque also, wow, that would be and
But they also deserve him.
Maharlika. That I see a pattern. That's an interesting gallery of very intelligent, very best and brightest people.
Rogues
What about
Gallery.
Sir Ron, Claire Castro? Isn't she fighting the fight? I mean, she's not PCO, she's not the architect, but at least she's on the front line.
Kaya
In
hindi siya
fairness to
pinaltan.
her, huh?
Hindi siya pinaltan. Pinaltan yung boss niya, pero hindi siya pinaltan.
Baka
Diba?
siya talagang dapat boss na. I mean,
Oo, dahil
siya
si
naman
Claire
talaga
kasi,
magaling niya.
ang ganitong klaseng podcast yun eh.
Sir Ron, wag pa naman ibuli na naman yung host sa podcast. At sabihin mo,
Diba?
hindi si Richard ang binubuli,
Ganitong,
yung
ganitong
show niya.
klase mga ganitong klase mga podcaster, yung pang lagay doon sa Malacanang. Harapan mo
Pardagulan.
mga Duterte. Ano ka,
Pardagulan.
Pino-Pino? Ano yan? No? Anong gusto mo diyan? Anong gusto mong panglaban sa mga Duterte?
Yeah.
Sino panglaban mo kay Harry Roque? Sino panglaban mo kay Topacio? Sino panglaban mo kay Panelo? 'Di ba? No? Sino ilalagay mo diyan? Arneo?
Ronald Diamas.
Ah, mga Claire Castro. Saan ba nag-aral si Claire?
Oste din, like you.
'Di ba?
The greatest, the most amazing, the most amazing. Sir Ronald,
Oo.
papatapos na tayo. Don't worry, Sir Ronald. Na-miss lang kita. Matagal tayo hindi nag-usap. Na-miss lang kita, Sir Ronald. I'm sure it's reciprocal, but you'll never admit. But, Sir Ronald, bago yung bromance natin matapos tong bromantic episode natin, Papa Jackson. Dapat, Sir Ronald, in the future,
Nandiyan ka
meron
na.
tayo.
Nandiyan ka
Ano
na
na?
sa Warsaw. Malapit na yan sa Kiev. Dumaan ka na. Dahil
Might as well.
diyan ako pumasok sa Kiev eh,
From
via Poland.
Warsaw.
Oh, diyan ako pumasok
Okay,
noon.
palapit lang. Yeah,
Medyo
border is
porous yung
here.
kanya eh, yung border.
Yeah.
Medyo porous. Hindi ka hihingian diyan ng mga
Pero it
ng
goes
mga
both ways din, no? Kung sino-sino din daw pumapasok kasi pumunta ako sa Frontex, yung border guard nila. Kung ano-ano daw
oh.
pumapasok, and nag-big and beautiful
Eh,
war.
yung papasok ng Poland mas mahigpit. Yung palabas ng Poland papuntang Ukraine,
Relax
mas
lang siya.
hindi. Oh.
Interesting, interesting, sir. Before Sir Ronald sending me to into war zones, let's just finish this podcast first. Sir Ronald, andito na tayo. Donald Trump, 20% tariffs on the Philippines. Dapat ba maging masaya tayo na hindi naging 50% yung ginawa ni Trump sa Lula government dahil in-investigate si Bolsonaro? Ganun na pala si... So actually nalulungkot ako kasi I was expecting Trump to also support... I mean, imagine if Trump really was a friend of Duterte, sabi niya, I will impose 60% tariff on Philippines unless you repatriate Digong home. Do you think Trump would do that?
Parang he's
He's
dealing
doing
with a
that for Bolsonaro, no? Hindi lang Netanyahu,
oh,
his friend, but also
eh,
Bolsonaro.
ang factor naman kasi diyan, talagang si Lula is very anti-Trump, especially the wife. Especially the wife, no? Very anti-Trump 'yon, no? Ikalawa, si Lula ay isa sa mga stalwarts ngayon ng BRICS, no? Na main rival ng US ngayon dahil gusto nga nila palitan yung dollar as a medium of international exchange. So, at ang proponent niyan ay si Lula. No, not even China. No, proponent to si Lula, 'di ba? Kaya galit na galit si Trump kay Lula. Iba 'yon, iba yung sitwasyon na sa Brazil, no? Iba yung sitwasyon sa Brazil. Ah,
Away din ni Elon Musk din kasi doon over Twitter issue. Yung sa Philippines tariff, should we be happy na hindi
tingin ko
30%
ang nakakatawa dun sa letter ni Trump, it's parang a generic letter.
copy paste?
Parang pinalitan lang yung yung tao to whom it is
Like
addressed.
oo.
Oh.
Ronald Llamas, Richard A. Darian, pa iba-iba lang yung mga pangalan.
Ano nakakatawa dahil ang assumption nun, merong trade surplus ang Pilipinas sa US. Ah, Whereas ang US ang may trade surplus sa atin by almost $11 billion. So, pero yung pag binasa mo yung letter, oops, somebody
Hindi
made a
nag-double check.
mistake.
Medyo ni-rush yata yung...
Di ba? Somebody made a... So, alam mo na, ito sa stupid generic letter. No? Pag pumunta na yun sa negotiations, doon na mangyayari yung, oops, sorry.
Baka
We made a
naman, baka
mistake.
naman.
We made a mistake, di ba? So, nandun po, may threat pa eh. No? May threat pa doon sa letter eh. Na, kung kayo ang mag-i-increase ng tariff, then idadagdag namin yan sa 20%. Imagine mo yung ganong klaseng mathematics, di ba?
Sir,
Sabi ko,
I've seen worse. Let's just say I've seen Digong's
tawa
mathematics.
ako ng tawa. I'm a dropout, pero
Alam
I
mo,
can
sir,
do much better, no?
you may be a dropout, sir, but you have higher citation for the like. Lastly, Sir Ronald, SONA na si BBM soon. What do you want to see in the SONA na? Well, ang dami natin kailangan makita, but realistically, what is the
Hindi ako,
best that
ako nga,
BBM can do?
hindi na ako
Rejoin ICC? Should you say we should rejoin ICC maybe, or at least? I mean, can
pwede,
he
pwede yun,
avoid
pero
discussing ICC at all? I mean, like, I mean, he will
pwede
try
yun, pwede yun.
probably.
Pero ako nga hindi na ako mag-iisip ng ganun eh. Mag-iisip na lang ako na i-implement yung two previous zonas. Yung commitment niya ng two previous zonas ay sabi implement na lang niya yun. Okay na ako ron, no? Okay na ako ron. Dahil ang problema kasi, pag halimbawa, sinabi niya na we will rejoin the ICC. Now, of course, gustong-gusto natin. Pero yung iba niya mga kasama, sinisisi pa yung ICC dito sa pagkatalo nila sa midterm election. Look, imagine those idiots, di ba? Sila ang nag-fail na i-weaponize yung ICC against the Duterte. Sila ang nag-fail to weaponize the crimes against humanity against the Duterte. Sila ang nag-fail na i-weaponize yung overwhelming support sa West Philippine Sea advocacy natin laban sa China. Tapos, sisisihin mo pa ngayon yung mga hindi mo nagawa as the reason bakit ah, politically explosive yung usapin ng ICC. 'Di ba? Kaya, okay, sasaya ako pag yon ay sasabihin niya sa SONA. Pero kahit hindi niya sabihin, no, gawin na lang niya yung mga reform package, reform elements na lagi nating dinideconstruct dahil nakakasama tayo dyan sa lintik na mga SONA analysis na yan. Ilang beses tayo nagkasama dyan?
More than
Naalala ko,
enough, more than
nakaputi ka pa na suit eh. Nakaputi ka pa na suit. Yun yung hindi ko pa nasubukan sa buong buhay ko, mag-wear ng puti na suit. Pero nung
kasi
SONA last
kakasal
year,
na sana.
kasama kita noon eh. Kasama ka. Kahit hindi ko makalimutan, no? Sino
Parang
ba itong kasama ko?
parang may hugot ka, Sir Ronald. Sino tong kakasal na ba to?
Oh, hindi, kaya lang, hindi ko lang makalimutan.
Eh, love na love kita,
Tuloy-tuloy
Sir
pa rin
Ronald.
sinasabi na
Yeah.
kinakailangan ng reform package. No? So, kahit walang bago, yung luma na lang, i-consolidate niya, i-present niya rito, pero where's the beef? Magpakulong naman siya ng mga hoarders, ng mga
Yeah.
kartel, ng mga smugglers. Magpakulong naman siya. Hindi sapat na palitan mo yung head ng customs. Hindi sapat na palitan mo yung mga deputy commissioner ng customs. Magpakulong ka naman. Hindi sapat na banata mo yung prime water. Magpakulong ka naman ng mga luwa, no? Magpakulong ka naman ng MWSS na pinayagan itong prime water na ito. Kung hindi, paulit-ulit na lang yan. Sasabihin, wala namang nangyayari, wala namang pinaparusahan, wala namang pinapakulong. So, people will be
Si Digong!
very, very
Pinakulong si
cynical.
Digong! Pinakulong si Digong!
Oh, very, very cynical. Oh, ayun, okay yun. Okay yun, no? Pero itong mga sinasabi mo sa SONA, implement mo naman. Di ba?
And then yung 20
Magpe-20
peso kada
pesos per
kilo yung
kilo
mga
ka
ganun.
na rice.
Yeah,
Pero
sabay
it's
pa
not
tayo.
a drop in the bucket, no? No? Pakita mo naman na something substantial ang gagawin mo. Ang tatlo ang main sources ng bakit prohibitive ang price ng rice. Customs, smuggling, di ba? Smuggling,
Hoarding.
cartels,
Hoarding, yeah.
hoarding, price manipulation, 'di ba? Yan 'yun eh. Yan yung mga main sources ng kwan eh, no? Tapos ikatlo, productivity. Productivity, no? Tumulong naman dahil yung ating inflation, especially food inflation, is supply side, not demand side. So, ipakita mo naman na you understand these things at willing kang may gawin, 'di ba? So, yung mga ganun ba? Hindi mo
So basically,
kinakailangan ng
practical, yeah.
hindi na kailangan ng doctoral thesis para yan ay gawin o pag-usapan. These
Ano
are
pang kailangan,
simple.
Sir Ronald? Kung hindi kailangan
Oh,
ng
political
ngipin?
will,
Ngipin? Kilay?
leadership,
Kala ko
political
kilay.
will, leadership. O yun ang kailangan. No?
Well, naive ka nga, Sir Ronald. You're very naive. You're very
Very naive, very naive.
on that very
Very
naive
naive.
advice to our beloved president. Thank you very much, Sir Ronald. I really appreciate you joining us. Looking forward to join you again. Baka ikaw naman gusto mag-white coat this time, Sir Ronald.
Next zona. Ayun naman tayo. Maghaharap na naman tayo sa next zona. Ang
With my
suggestion ko sa next
Siargao
zona,
shells. Yeah.
no?
Opo.
Mag-away tayo,
Ay,
no?
talaga mag-aaway talaga tayo. So,
Represent mo yung other side, represent ko yung other side, no? Lang, bardagulan lang, para masaya. Or else it will be again another boring sauna.
well, ayoko na magsalita, Sir Ronald. So, ano, ako,
Uh,
ako yung independent opposition at ikaw yung opposition na majority? Ganun ba yung split
o
natin?
hindi, ikaw yung right side of history, ako yung left side. Ganun yung
Hindi naman
ano
ang
natin.
fascista na naman yung kalaban mo, purong
Oo.
fascista. Sige,
Oo.
Sir
Ikaw,
Ronald, I will go
ikaw yung
Peronismo
mag-present
party.
ng neoliberal framework. Ayun.
Sir Ronald, huwag kang ganyan. Masakit ang puso ko. Just because I'm a caviar socialist, Sir Ronald. Huwag mo ako i-discriminate. Dito
What's
nga
the
ako sa
difference?
Warsaw Pact. I'm helping
What's
with
the
the...
difference between a caviar socialist and a neoliberal?
Um, magaling mag-tweet. Yung magaling mag-vlog, parang si Ma'am Dani. Sir Ronald, on that very encouraging note, for bullying me again on my show, but not bullying me, kasi disembodied yung, ano, yung, natawa talaga ako sa
Kailan ka babalik? Kailan ka babalik sa salt mines?
Basta for your sauna, babalik ako for sauna para lang magbardagulan tayo kay Sir
Yan,
Patrick
yan.
Paes. So on that
Yan,
note,
yan.
thank you very much, Sir Ronald. I hope you will
Thank
enjoy
you.
also. Kung ako caviar socialist, ano ka, Sir Ronald? Kung ako caviar socialist, ano ka? Sige
Oh,
lang.
steak social. I'm a steak social.
State fascist. Steak fascist. Okay. On that note, thank you very much, my fellow Peronismo. Sa,
The weekend?
ang pangalan mo talaga, Ronaldo.
Kahit
Ronaldo na talaga, Sir Ronald. Pangalan mo, Ronaldo. Thank you very much to everyone for joining this latest episode ng RNR live from the Iron Curtain. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Iron Curtain. Talk to you soon. God bless, sir.